Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage who can mention you on their story on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Stories on Twitch give you an easy way to stay top of mind and deepen connection with your community directly on Twitch by sharing short form, ephemeral content with your followers. Stories are easy to catch up on anytime, even when viewer schedules may not align with tuning in for a stream, proving that stories can be a powerful way to engage your community beyond going live. Anyone can view stories, however, the ability to create stories limited qualified partners and affiliates, and story can be only posted using the Twitch mobile app. But now, what if you want to manage? You can mention your account on their stories on Twitch. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just tap on the bottom right here on your profile. Tap on your account settings. Tap on security and privacy. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option story mention. You can mention you in their stories. By default, it's set to everybody. So everybody on Twitch can mention you on their story. But now you can change if you want nobody can mention you. You can just choose on nobody. Or you can just choose on people I follow. So only people you follow on your Twitch will be able to tag you to mention you on their story. So simple, right? So that is how to manage who can mention you on their story on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.